timbers and shuck me barnacles. Hey, that sounds like my last spa treatment. Looky here who's still upright after a day filled to the gills with pirate festivities. If you had yourself a whale of a day, let me hear you shout, aye! Aye, me too. If you didn't meet me before, where were ya? We were waiting for ya. And you should have heard what we were saying about you too. Not critical. Anywho, pirate folk call me Jolly Roger. But I insist you call me J.R. Now that we've been properly introduced, tell me, who's ready to party like a pirate? Let me the spirit. Well, allow me to say, great Blackbeard tonight. I just noticed where we be sailing. We just entered pirate waters. Why, some say the legend of Captain Jack Sparrow lives on to this very day, and the pirates of the Caribbean still prowl these mysterious waters. I tell you, mates, the legends be true. And mark well me words. Dead man tell no tales. And prepare to be boarded! All hands, secure the ship! Possession of this here vessel. We want what was taken from us. The Golden Gauntlet! The Golden Gauntlet belongs to us! We want to have it back!
It's a powerful weapon!
It can destroy an entire ship with a single blast. The Gauntlet is magic! It can make fire in the sky! It's all be true. Who possesses it controls the sea. That's why we want the poor excuse for a pirate what took it from us. And his name be Jack Sparrow. Somebody mad of it. And me bones tell me they be hiding the little rat. Archer! He's here! Find him! Show yourself, you mangy hairy! Mark well, we will find ya! Show yourself!
Ah, there you are!
Where?
Here! Wait, you're not him! Jack, come back to me! I have a surprise for you. So do I!
Hey! Enough! Turn Sparrow over to us! Or you'll see the lot of ya! Today, Joan! Tell us, where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Yes, where is he? I'm sorry, but who are we looking for again?
Jack Sparrow!
There should be a captain in there somewhere. Now, if you would kindly obtain my shipmate, or shall I send you for Davy Jones?
So they are your shipmates.
I think so. I can't do this all by me once, Sammy. So you are my shipmates, are you not? There you have it. These shipmates.
Very well. Then they shall share your fate!
What?
Fire!
Everybody see that? Looks like what we do get to
I'll use that rope to hang him! First get the gauntlet! Deal!
All right.
Get the gauntlet! Don't let him get away!
my crew would have been lost, Sammy.
Give me that gauntlet, Sparrow. It's hers.
Possessions of their contents at all.
And will possess it!
Because we're in all the guidelines of the law.
Time for your date with the noose!
I'm cancelling that date.
Not you did mine! Who is she?
Not sure what to say, man.
I'll be taking the gauntlet back, Jack, and your hand with it.
I'll take his hand.
Any last words?
Just one. Fire! Well, I see why everybody wants this little beauty.
Thanks, Jack! I've got the gauntlet!
What do you say?
Well done, lad! Let me have it!
Yes, let him have it. Blast him the dagger, Jack.
Shut your mouth, you pathetic excuse for a pirate!
Stop wasting time.
Hi!
I'll blast him.
No, you won't!
There we go.
I will!
First thing.
Move aside. I deserve the honor. No, I do.
I'll let him have it!
Oh, thank you. Good day.
Sparrow! Get the gauntlet!
After him!
You can't escape us!
He's mine!
Hey, it would seem that the pain is mightier than the fool.
Aha!
Like so soon.
The gauntlet, Sparrow! There he is! Get the gauntlet!
George,
Enough, kids! The gauntlet!
he has it, and he's been plotting against the three of you.
What? You scabrous dog!
Kill him!
Oh, hello. Goodbye.
No, no, no! You
How was this? I may have deserved that.
Marry me, Jack!
If you had a sister and a dog, I would choose the dog.
Hey! I knew you'd come round.
Goodbye. He was leading. The gauntlet is ours!
The celebration is over. The gauntlet now belongs to me.
What? No! I say it be mine!
Wait!
Thank you. If you take into account all the unreasonable circumstances I have endured while pursuing that gold-mitten Lodies many years, my crew united against me and let me go off on a God-forsaken island twice without nearly enough rum to sustain a main of my thirst. I was cursed and transformed into a positively rigid skeleton, which was absolute murder on the skin. I was ill prepared, and I was eaten by cannibals. I actually was eaten by the Kraken, and most recently, forced to endure zombies, mermaids, and a lost love that enjoys dressing up in men's clothing. Mine! While trying to kill me. So I ask you, who deserves possession of the golden gauntlet? Them, or a little lady? Darling? Well, there we have it! So, please, do we have any calls? I must admit, I'm torn. Do I block your little ship with this beauty? Or do I show mercy on your crew and allow them to renounce you and join me and my fine, exceedingly lovely crew? Well, please, as for you, any last words?
Harley?
Holly! I can't argue with that. As much as it pains me not to blast you to Kingdom Come, welcome aboard. Well, there we have it. One big happy family. Now, who wants to see you this beastie can really do. Lift right up the night sky, Sammy. Here's the victory. Here's to my new crew. Here's the adventurous life of a pirate. A pirate's life for me.